G'day, it's Craig from Australian Direct, and check out this bloody ripper of a pump. This is our 17 litre per minute pump. One of the beauties about this, it also comes with a mesh filter strainer in there as well. Comes with clip-in type fittings, as well as nice anti-vibration rubber feet in there to stop a lot of noise transfer. So this is really a great pump. It's low amp draw, it's only 9.2 amps draw as well, so that's another great thing about it. Check out this. You've got your pre-filter, nice and easy to get to with your strainer. I mean, it's really good, especially if you're pumping up out a creek water or something like that and you don't want to see what's, you can see what's going through your pump. Now check out this. We've got our little tab fittings there, so you don't even need any tools. Just clip him in, put him down. Look at that, your water fittings in. We come with 3 different fittings, so you've got your right angle, you've got your straight, as well as your threaded style. I'll show you on this one as well. It's just a matter of pushing him in, give him a bit of a turn, whack him down. Now look at that. You've just got to hook up to this power and you're ready to rock and roll. It doesn't get much better than that. So head over to the website and check him out. Cheers.